Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Barclays Bank account. So follow some simple steps with me. Open your web browser and in the search bar, search for barclays.co.uk. And it will redirect you to the official website of Barclays Bank. And over here in this interface, you can see the login button at the top right corner. Click on it. And it will redirect you to the login portal of Barclays Bank. Over here, you can choose the login options. If you want to log in using your membership number, click on membership number over here. And to log in using your card number, click on card number. If you want to sort code and log in into your account, click on sort code and account number. Let me show you using your card number. Over here, click on card number and then enter the last name of your account. Once you do that, enter the 16-digit card number. Once you do that, click on remember my last name and login method if you are using a private computer, but I do not recommend if you are using a public or shared computer. Once you do that, click on continue. You will be logged into your Barclays Bank account. So this is how you can log in into your Barclays Bank account using card number. This was for this video. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.